Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Coinbase Account Restricted issue. If your Coinbase account has been restaurant dead and it is showing you this kind of an interface and just telling you to contact support, then you've landed in the right place. Simply keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you've not yet, also press the notification bell icon so that you never miss another upcoming updates from us. One of the main reasons your Coinbase account is restricted is because your country does not support certain features on the exchange. For example, selling crypto. The next reason why it is happening might be because you are unable to add a payment method on your Coinbase account. The first thing to do whenever this kind of situation arises is to go ahead and contact Coinbase support. Before doing that, make sure if the selling of crypto is supported in your country first. If you're living in New Zealand, Australia, or Singapore, you won't be able to sell crypto on Coinbase. As a result, you won't be able to add a payment method. So here's how to fix the issue. The first thing to do is to open up Coinbase Account Support Center. Go and tap Open Safari on your iPhone, or you can open up any web browser if you're using your Android device. Now simply type in help Coinbase.com. And once you make a search, you'll end up in the support page. In this page, you'll be able to see multiple of options you can choose from. Tap on the Contact Us button at the bottom of the page. Now scroll a bit down and choose your product from the options displayed. There are multiple products that you can choose from. This includes Coinbase, Coinbase, Pro Coinbase, Custody, Coinbase, NFT, and so much more. Since your Coinbase account is restricted, let's tap on the Coinbase button. And now scroll down and right where you can say Let's Get Started. Select an option by tapping on the drop down and choose the issue that you are experiencing. In my case, it is restricting me from trading and funding in Coinbase. So let me tap on Trading and Funding in Coinbase. Now from the next drop down, choose whatever your issue is about under what seems to be the problem. I'm going to select any one of the options over here. You can go ahead and enter more information down below. Select the payment method that you use for your transactions. Select the issue you're experiencing again from the next drop down. After filling in all of the information needed, it says that you can upload screenshots or a PDF bank statement showing the unknown charges here. After you're done filling the rest of the information, scroll a bit down and enter the email address that is associated with your Coinbase account. Type in the subject, and if you have any kind of a message that you'd like to mention, go ahead and type it in. And finally click on Send Verification Email. Soon after you do that, you'll need to wait for Coinbase account's response. Coinbase will typically respond in 24 hours via email. You need to check your inbox periodically for the email. So if your account is restricted and you'd like to do something about it, doing this will help getting out of this situation. That was how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.